In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to cPanel using the correct Namecheap hosting name servers. This is a quick and important setup if you want your domain to point to your hosting account properly, and it only takes a few minutes to do. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed. Click on Domain List, then find the domain name you want to connect to cPanel. Next, click the Manage button next to that domain. This will open the domain settings page, where you can update important configuration options like DNS and Nameservers. Now scroll down until you find the Nameservers section. This is the part that controls where your domain points on the internet. By default, many domains may use Namecheap Basic DNS or another custom setup, but for this method, you want to switch it to the hosting DS. Click the drop-down menu in the Nameservers section and select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. When you choose this option, Namecheap will automatically use the correct nameservers for your hosting setup. The nameservers should be dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. These are the Namecheap Web Hosting nameservers that connect your domain properly to your hosting environment and cPanel. After selecting Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, look for the green checkmark and click it to save your changes. This step is very important because it confirms the update and applies the new nameserver settings to your domain. Once you save, the change may not be instant everywhere right away. DNS updates can take some time to fully propagate, so if your website does not connect immediately, give it a little while and check back later. And that's it. You've now connected your Namecheap domain to cPanel using the Namecheap Web Hosting DNS nameservers. This setup helps make sure your domain points to your hosting account correctly so your website can load the way it should. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more easy hosting tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.